Hello Vivites, a very good evening to all the Vivites who are watching from India. I'm also seeing people watching from Nepal. A very good evening to you all. A very good morning to all the Vivites who are watching me from the United States of America, my friends. Well, a warm evening and a pleasant morning to all of you. Well, as you all know that this is a Friday evening in India and I am back with another important topic on our wonderful product iVed, which is launched in the United States of America. Well, thanks for all your participation again. Well, friends, as you all know that this is the famous Ask the Doctor web series, the Facebook live broadcasts which are happening on a daily basis. Well, this particular Facebook live broadcast is happening on the Indus Viva INC Facebook page. Suppose if someone has not liked or subscribed the page, please do ask them to like and subscribe the page so that they can see me live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which is around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning across the United States of America. Thanks for all your participation again, my dear friends. So this Facebook Live is specially exclusively for our American product iVed, which was launched last year. So friends, if you do have any questions, please start posing me your questions right now until I end the last, a short topic on this iVed. Then I'll be able to answer your questions, my dear friends. I hope the points are clear to you all. So without much delay, let us start the broadcast on iVed. Well, suppose if someone is not able to watch this live, please do. I request you all to, host watch parties on the Facebook and share this particular video elsewhere on the social media platform so that each and every one of us who is a wellness entrepreneur as well as a wellness, wellness enthusiast can watch this particular video and get the knowledge about our wonderful product iVed, my dear friends. Well, so let us start today's iVed. As you have all seen in the poster that today's iVed will be on the importance of brain health as well as the relevance of iVed in supporting a very good brain health. So how exactly this particular thing happens? Well, dear friends, before I go into that, so again, as the concept of iVed comes in, as you all know that all our Indus Viva products for that matter is considered as the front line immune booster products. So each and every ingredient which is used in the Indus Viva products, so most of those herbal ingredients or botanical extracts as we call, they are all immune boosting supplements in nature, my dear friends. So you all know that there is a race which is happening between herd immunity and the vaccines right now. Herd immunity is a situation which happens by two important things. Either the person has to get the vaccine or the medicine, or in fact they have to overcome the disease by developing resistance by the use of immune boosting supplements. That is where the importance of the antioxidant and the immune boosting supplements always come, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. Well, herd immunity or the community immunity, or in other words we call this as a social immunity, is almost approaching right now. See, the other important thing which is actually happening in the world today is the scientists are now looking into the antibodies which are produced in the human body. So once the human body interacts with the virus or any kind of a pathogen for that matter, the body will develop antibodies. So these antibodies in the human beings, mainly they are called as the immunoglobulins. We call them as IgG antibodies. See, now the trend is like this. Whenever you develop the IgG antibodies more, so you might have overcome the infection or you have the potency of overcoming that particular infection in the future as well. See, that is the reason why when you consume the immune boosting supplements, automatically the resistance of the body increases, by which the body can resist all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. The other kind of a news which is almost coming every day is the prevalence of COVID-19 infections across the world. So another question that the scientists are actually asking across the world is, suppose if a person has come out of the COVID-19 situation, is it possible again for the person to be affected with COVID-19? That is one of the major questions which is actually coming out. Are the antibodies which are produced inside the human bodies enough to fight against this virus? Is another question which is asked. Well, the solution is simple, my dear friends. No matter what vaccine comes, no matter what the medicines come, at least we have to protect our bodies, we have to prevent this infection somehow, and the solution for that is the immune boosting supplements. So whenever you have immune boosting supplements on a regular basis, automatically the resistance of the body increases, by which the body can be protected against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. Well, we call this immunity as innate immunity also. New York Times in one of the editions has published this wonderful article called as the innate immunity. So innate immunity is the immunity which develops inside the human body. So that is the reason why if you see across the world, even when the vaccines are not there, suppose they are in the stages of the clinical trials right now, but some of the countries have tried with the existing vaccines, like it might be the BCG vaccines or the polio vaccines. Such vaccines were also used, but with very limited results. But the only intention behind this is to create that innate immunity, to produce more and more resistance inside the body, so that the person will not suffer from any kind of dreadful viral diseases in the future also. But we have a wonderful solution at hand called as the immune boosting supplements, which can certainly help us in understanding or making the body to understand this concept of immunity or resistance, so that it can fight against this particular dreadful viral diseases even in the future as well, my dear friends. I hope the points are clear to you all. Well, as you all know that the vaccine race is on right now, but we don't know so from which country or where exactly the vaccines are going to come out, but it has to come out at some point of time, because the clinical trials are through right now. Once the clinical trials are completely done, automatically the things will be available. But now it is COVID, my dear friends, but tomorrow or in the future, we don't know. Any other novel virus or bacteria can also infect the whole world, because these are some of the viruses which are sometimes they are genetically manipulated, or sometimes they are mutating a lot. These mutations will cause a lot of novel viruses to come out, which the science has not studied till now. But the only answer since the beginning of mankind, what we have is, we have this wonderful herbal drugs, we have these wonderful botanical ingredients which are present on this planet Earth since day one. So these are the ingredients which have the potential immune boosting capabilities, which can help the human bodies to get this resistance, so that the bodies can fight against all kinds of infections in the future, my dear friends. So with this particular note only, we have taken the references from the oldest of the oldest herbal drugs that we have on this planet. We have made those extracts in a scientifically validated way, and we have formulated this wonderful product called as Ayurveda, which is launched in the United States of America. So this Ayurveda as such is a wonderful immune boosting supplement as well, my dear friends. So not only this is a dietary supplement which is positioned in the United States of America, which has the other important health benefits also, which I'm going to tell you right now. Well, see, the other thing that I wanted to emphasize here is, so far as any product is developed, so it might be a synthetic product or a herbal product, it has to undergo the process of validation. So initially the in vitro assays, as we call, in which the product will be tested on the human cells or the animal cells, which are taken out of the animal body or the human body. The products are tested on this, and then it is approved for safety and efficacy. Once that is done, the next phase is the clinical trials, which happens on the wellness products as well. And in fact, Ayurveda is already almost through the clinical trials. Once we have the data, at least in 1.5 months from now, we will be very happy to present to you the data, the white paper as well, so that each and every one of you, the Vivites in India or in the US or in Nepal or wherever from wherever you are watching us, you will have a very good tool in your hand to scientifically promote the product. This is what is exactly going to happen with Ayurveda and other products of Indus Viva also, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. Well, as you all know that Ayurveda is a product which is based on the advanced Ayurveda. Well, all of you people know that what is ancient Ayurveda. Ancient Ayurveda is a traditional system of Indian medicine dating back to 5,000 years old. In fact, we have dug the secrets of Ayurveda. We have scientifically validated them with the help of modern sophisticated technologies, and ultimately advanced Ayurveda and Ayurveda is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world, my dear friends. It is not only to the US, not only to India, it is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world. That is what is called as advanced Ayurveda. Well, so far as advanced Ayurveda is concerned, it normally includes the raw materials from the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda. See in each and every sessions what I am talking right now, I am covering some of the ingredients as well as some of the good health benefits of the product. So today I am going to speak about the brain health. Well, there are ingredients which are present in this wonderful product called as Ayurveda, which is good for this, developing this wonderful or supporting this brain health, my dear friends. That is how we have taken the secrets from the age old textbooks of Ayurveda. We have validated them through microbiological testing. We have validated them to analytical chemical testing. We have validated them through sophisticated instrumentation techniques, especially like the spectrophotometries. We call it as the UV spectrophotometry, the liquid chromatograph, mass spectrometry. We do the HPLC or the high pressure chromatographic techniques. All these things are used to validate these ancient claims and make modernized product out of this. So that is the reason why, if you really had a chance of looking at Ayurveda, or someone who is watching me from US, you have already looked at Ayurveda. This is absolutely a traditional product which is given a modern form by following the modern scientific validated principles, my dear friends. I hope the points are clear to you. This is how the Ayurveda is made, and that is the reason why we call this as advanced Ayurveda. I hope my point is clear to everyone. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as I told you, Ayurveda is a 100% natural product which is based on the botanical ingredients and extracts. Along with this, we also have the richness of antioxidant fruits, including acai berry. Well, most of you have these questions always. What is the difference between iPulse and Ayurveda? See, iPulse is a product which is present in India, whereas Ayurveda is a product which is exclusively positioned for United States of America. I'll tell you what the major difference is. As you all know, friends, iPulse is a product which contains 15 antioxidant fruits, the major fruit being acai berry, whereas Ayurveda is a product which is based on 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations. Along with that, it has 15 antioxidant fruits, including acai berry. So you can probably call this as, it is a fortified version of iPulse. I hope the point is clear to you. It is a fortified version of iPulse, my dear friends. Well, not only this, so the point of immunity which always, is spoken of these days. People think that immunity is confined to some part of the body. No. Immunity is holistic in nature. In the sense, your immunity, the body, if it is said to be immune or it has very good immunity, it means that each and every cell of your body, from the head till your toe, these things have to have the best immunity. Only then the body is considered to be immune. I hope the point is clear. It is not only confined to one organ or one system of the human body. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So Ayurveda itself is a holistic product. This particular product is a product which gives you the health benefits from the head till the toe. That is the reason why we are considering this as a holistic herbal dietary supplement. I hope the point is clear to you all. It is called as a holistic herbal dietary supplement. This is the words that you need to use for your promotion purposes as well. So because in the United States market, the US FDA does not validate the traditional claims. This product Ayurveda is categorized as traditional health product in the United States of America. We call this as a THP. See, normally the other systems of medicine like the Ayurveda, the Unani, the homeopathy, the Tibetan medicine, the Chinese medicine, the Korean medicine, all such things are categorized as traditional health products in the United States of America. That is the reason why the US FDA does not validate such traditional claims. But the US FDA is most worried about 2 important things. The labeling of the product. The second thing is the place of manufacture. See, both the things in our case, in case of Ayurveda, the labeling of the product is compliant as per US FDA, as well as the factory that we are manufacturing the product, which is called as the Vaco Bottling Limited, which is present in a place called as Vaco in Texas. The state of Texas in the United States of America is registered with the US FDA. I hope the points are clear to everybody. These are the only 2 points where the US FDA is involved in. So, as I told you, my dear friends, Ayurveda contains 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations. In total, Ayurveda contains about 50 herbal ingredients. So it is 50 herbal ingredients in this. That is the reason why almost all these herbal ingredients are present in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years. Well, these ingredients by themselves are very good antioxidants. Along with that, their immune boosting capabilities have been mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years. Along with this, the product also has the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits, including the goodness of acai berry. That is one important thing that the people have to know who are using Ayurveda in the United States of America. It is a fortified form of iPulse. I hope my point is clear to you all. Well, Ayurveda is also based on the traditional principles of Ayurveda, which follows the laws of similarities. So I'll repeat this point again for the benefit of all. So this product is based on the traditional Ayurvedic principles, which follows the law of similarities. The law of similarities is an age-old principle which says that whatever happens in the external world also happens inside the human body. This is what Ayurveda firmly believes in. So whatever happens in the external world also happens inside the human body. So what this point is all about is, you have water in the external world, you have water inside the human body in the form of saliva, you have water in the form of urine, you have water in the form of blood. Similarly, you have air inside, air outside, in the atmosphere outside. Similarly, you have air inside your body as well in the form of lungs. You know, the air is circulating inside the lungs. Your lungs are actually, purifying the air, the carbon dioxide and the oxygen, the purification. All those things are happening inside the body, my dear friends. So, these are called as laws of similarities. Well, the other point here is, even the botanical ingredients or the medicinal plants, they also resemble some of the organs which are present inside the human body. For example, today's case itself, suppose if I am talking about brain health right now, there is an ingredient in the product Ayurveda called as the Centella asiatica. We call this as Brahmi. In the Indian terminologies, we call it as Brahmi. So in English, this is called as Centella asiatica. So this particular plant, the leaf of the plant resembles the human brain. See, the leaf of this plant resembles the human brain. See, this was identified 5000 years back, my dear friends, when the world was not even half of the world population was not there, and only the population, especially the Vedic ages in India, the age-old traditions in India were actually practiced. So, see, even today this plant is available in our planet actually. So, it is still growing in India. Well, we have a lot of supplies of this particular plant, and the leaf of the plant resembles the human brain. And see, this is not just a traditional claim, my dear friends. A lot of scientific papers, you can find a lot of Google articles, a lot of publications on the international platform or the domain suggesting the brain health perspective of this wonderful ingredient called as Centella asiatica even today. See, that is how the traditional claim is validated by modern science and technology. This is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. So not only this particular ingredient Centella asiatica is present in a formulation called as Saraswata Churnam. Suppose if one has the access to this wonderful product Ayurveda, you can read this Saraswata Churnam written on the label. The Saraswata Churnam contains this wonderful ingredient called as Brahmi. We also call it as Centella asiatica in the botanical terminologies. This is a wonderful herb which enhances memory, cognition, attention and focus. But one disclaimer I want to tell you all here. So far as the US FDA is concerned, as I told you that US FDA will not be validating the traditional claims. Well, as a part of dietary supplement in the US, it is very, very important for everybody to know that whatever the claims that I am telling right now are not validated by the US FDA, and they are absolutely the traditional health claims. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, this particular Saraswata Churnam has been mentioned in one of the textbooks of Ayurveda called as Sahasra Yogam. This particular textbook is called as Sahasra Yogam, which is dating back to 5000 years old. And this contains around 20 herbal ingredients, my dear friends, 20 herbal ingredients in this. It is one of the important formulations which is used in Ayurveda for the treatment of anxiety, depression, psychosis, loss of concentration, epilepsy, motor neuron diseases, depression, irritability, low intelligence, loss of memory, disorders of speech, anemia. All such traditional claims are available for this wonderful formulation called as Saraswata Churnam. So not only this, this particular Centella Asiatica is called as Indian pennywort. So suppose if someone is interested to study about this, you can Google this as well. It is called as Indian pennywort in the English language actually. So this particular ingredient is indigenous to Southeast Asia as well as India. It contains some of the natural compounds like the Asiaticosides. We call it as the Asiaticosides, which are nothing but the triterpenoids which are present inside the leaf of this plant, which is known for supporting your brain health. I hope the point is clear to you. So not only this, this particular Centella Asiatica is a wonderful herb which is antibacterial, antifungal, it is anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, it helps in wound healing, it is also anti-diarrheal, it improves your cognitive functions, and it is a liver protective herb also, my dear friends. So not only this, the ingredients which are present in this Centella Asiatica, they are in fact very good for diabetes and its complications, for teeth disorders, for Alzheimer's disease, for osteoporosis, for heart related disorders, for hypertension, and it is also good for the antioxidant activity which is present in this. Well, not only that, my dear friends, this particular Centella Asiatica is also a wonderful immune boosting ingredient also. I hope I've told you many such benefits right now, but again, as a part of routine, I want to tell you this. So these claims will not be validated by the US FDA because these are the traditional Indian claims which are time tested. So that's what the actual solution for this or the answer for this is. So Ayurveda is actually called as a dietary supplement in the United States of America, which is used for maintaining the health in a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease. It is not a replacement for mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with other medications also. It has least to no side effects. I hope the point is clear to you all. So far as the dosage is concerned, my dear friends, it is suggested to consume 30 ml, which is called as 1 fluid ounce of Ayurveda in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce in the night, half an hour before your dinner. This is how Ayurveda needs to be consumed. So Ayurveda can be consumed for longer durations without worrying much about the side effects. So it can be given to children above 8 years of age till 100 years. I hope my point is clear to you. It should be given above 8 years of age till 100 years or throughout the lifetime. So this is how Ayurveda needs to be used, my dear friends. With this, I would like to end the short topic on Ayurveda. I hope everyone who is watching this from India, Nepal, US, and apart from this elsewhere in the world are benefited by understanding this particular benefit called as the brain health of this wonderful product Ayurveda. So in the other sessions to come, I will be covering the different points of Ayurveda and different health attributes or the health benefits of this wonderful product in the coming broadcasts as well, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your participation in this. We hope more and more questions also come to us. Well, this is a question answer time. So now I'll take up your questions. So today my colleague Miss Priyanka has collected the questions for me. So I'll be answering your questions right now. So let me start from the last week's questions as well. I have some last week's questions with me which were left unanswered. See, the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Milind Binde. If you are watching this, is Ayurveda available in India? Well, Mr. Milind, for the time being, Ayurveda is a product which is positioned only for the United States of America market. We will definitely let you know if some development happens so far as the products are availability of the products in India also. So please have a look at our websites always, like indusviva.us and also the IndusViva INC Facebook page as well for any such developments which will happen in the future. For the time being, as I told you, it is a product which is specifically positioned for the United States of America market. So the next question is by Mr. Vijay Kumar. Does it work for both hypo and hyperthyroidism? If I'm reading your name right here, it is Mrithvi Vijay Kumar. So sorry if my pronunciation is of the spelling is wrong. Well, as I told you, my dear friend, this product is called as a dietary supplement product in the United States of America. Suppose if someone has the look on the label of this wonderful product, one important disclaimer has to be read always in the US. It is always important for anyone who is consuming this product, either during the consumption or before consumption, they can consult their healthcare providers or the physicians if they have any such comorbid conditions or diseases. It is always important for the people in the US who are watching this should consult their physician or the healthcare providers to know more about their comorbid conditions. Well, as I've told you, my dear friends, this product can be taken along with any medications because it does not have any kind of adverse effects or side effects. So definitely as a dietary supplement, you can use this product in any of these comorbid diseases. I hope my point is clear to you all. So these were the two questions that were left unanswered last week. So let me start with today's questions now. The first question is by Mr. Sanjay Kar. If you are watching this, Ayurveda and iPulse, are these two products having same ingredients and benefits? I think Mr. Sanjay, I have answered this question during the course of the session itself. iPulse is an Indian product which has the benefits of the 15 antioxidant fruits, including acai berry, which is the major fruit in that. Well, Ayurveda contains the 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations along with the richness of the 15 antioxidant fruits, including acai berry. You can consider this as a fortified version of iPulse. Well, in the United States of America, well, the traditional systems of medicine like Ayurveda is recognized to the core as well there in the Western societies. Well, keeping Ayurveda as a base there, and the advanced Ayurveda what I spoke, which is validating the traditional Ayurveda by modern scientific technologies, is actually the major part which the launching of the product in the US was based on advanced Ayurveda. So that is the reason why iPulse was launched in India, which is again based on the traditional principles, but still it has the richness of antioxidant fruits only, whereas Ayurveda has the traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by modern scientific principles, as well as the richness of antioxidant fruits. And that is the reason why advanced Ayurveda is launched in the US. Well, again, Ayurveda is a product which is an example of advanced Ayurveda as well, my dear friends. Well, advanced Ayurveda is not something which is only confined to the US. In fact, all Indian Indus Viva products also follow the principle of advanced Ayurveda, where the traditional leads are taken and modern scientific validation is done. So that is how the products are actually differentiated. I hope the point is clear to you all. So the next question is by Miss Ainla Lima, if you are watching this. So she is asking about the ingredients which are available in the market. The ingredients are very expensive. Why is it so expensive? That is the first question. Ms. Ainla Lima, the answer for this is, see, the ingredients which are actually present in the product Ayurveda, as I told you, the ingredients date back to 5,000 years. Well, these ingredients are present in very crude form. In order to bring it to a modernized form so that it is most palatable to the people. Say one example I will tell you. The same Saraswata Churnam what I told today, if you actually take this Saraswata Churnam in its native form, it is highly bitter and non-palatable. It causes a lot of gastric irritation. It can even cause vomiting, diarrhea, and it can have a lot of effects as well. But well, what we have done here is the same principle of Saraswata Churnam we have taken out of the textbooks of Ayurveda. We have validated it with modern scientific technology by the addition of other ingredients which are natural in nature. Well, by you doing this, we have made this product 100% palatable so that people who are drinking this can consume this as a very modernized product even without understanding or knowing about the traditional principles which are present in this. Which means that the palatability is one thing, the acceptance is the other thing, which is meaning a lot to us. And for bringing up to this level in this particular product, such kind of activities and processes will happen. As I told you in the beginning, microbiological studies will happen, analytical chemical studies will happen, modern scientific instrumentation studies will happen. By doing all these things, a very traditional ingredient which is highly not palatable is brought into a highly palatable form in the form of Ayurveda. This process involves a lot of research and development activities. That is the reason why this product is called as a premium dietary supplement product. I hope my point is clear to you. To bring this premium nature of the product, automatically the cost is also involved in that, so that the health effects are also more, the benefits are also more, the side effects are almost negligible. I hope my point is clear to you. That is your first question. So coming to the second question of yours, what would happen if someone consumes only 1 fluid ounce a day or consume more than 2 fluid ounce a day, absolutely fine, there is no problem, absolutely fine, there is no issues like that. But still, whenever we fix the dosage of a product, the health benefits are taken into consideration. See, 1 fluid ounce a day absolutely can be taken, there is no issue with that. 2 fluid ounce a day is normally the dose which is required for the safety and the efficacy of the product within the human body. Well, first is the safety. Even half the dose, the safety will be given. But whenever you are anticipating for the health benefit, it is always important for you to take the complete dosage. That is 2 fluid ounce in a day, which is otherwise called as 60 ml in a day. When you do that, both the safety will come to you and the efficacy will come to you. Well, if you are taking more than 2 ounce in a day, there is no problems with that, but still we don't suggest it, because any herbal wellness supplement will always be recommended by the dosage. So whenever we recommend a dose, there is always a scientific explanation behind the dosage always. That is the reason why it is always better for you to take 2 fluid ounces in a day. That would definitely suffice the requirements of the human body. If it is taken more, sometimes 1 or 2 days, there is no problems. But if you take more than 3 or 4 ounces, again, our human bodies are dependent on a principle called as the basal metabolic rate, or the BMR. Once you have these herbal supplements, suppose in more quantities on a daily basis, your BMR is going to increase. In normal terminologies, the basal metabolic rate is equated to the heat inside your body. Your body heat increases, because of which you might have some of the side effects like the appearance of pimples, you might have a stomatitis inside your mouth or on your lips somewhere, you might have once or twice of diarrhea sometimes. It might not happen regularly, but still overdosage can cause these things. That's what my point is. That is the reason why I always suggest during the consumption of Ayurveda, it is always important for everyone to consume a lot of water or fruit juices also. Like 2.5 to 3 liters of fluids will always help you to rehydrate and hydrate your body basically. I hope my point is clear, Ms. Ainla. So that was your second question. So the next question that I am taking here is by Mr. Anil Kumar Kurapati. If you are watching this, what is the dosage of Ayurveda for 8 to 12 years? Well, above 8 years of age, the dosage remains same. 1 fluid ounce in the morning, which is 30 ml, and 1 fluid ounce in the night, which is 30 ml, half an hour before your breakfast and half an hour before your dinner. The dosage remains same across all the age groups from 8 years till the 100 years. So that is what the answer is. So the next question is by Mr. Manohar. If you are watching this, how it helps in Alzheimer's person? As I told you, Mr. Manohar, this is a traditional claim of Ayurveda which supports your brain health. Centella asiatica. If you are more interested, please go to the Google, type Centella asiatica in Alzheimer's disease. There are a lot of clinical trials as well as scientific publications you will get on this. This plant contains a wonderful component called as the asiaticoside. This asiaticoside is a very good cerebrovascular ingredient. It is a very good neurological strengthening ingredient, my dear friends. That is the reason why it can be given as a dietary supplement in such conditions also. Especially they are called as neurodegenerative conditions. Even in such conditions, you can use this, my dear friend. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question that I am taking here is by Mr. Pradeep Sharma. If you are watching this, can we suggest Ayurveda for blood pressure and increase the energy? Absolutely yes. Especially as I told you, Ayurveda is an immune boosting and an antioxidant product. So whenever there is immunity and antioxidants involved, automatically the energy within the body will also increase. It will rejuvenate your body. See, that is the reason why it is called as a holistic health supplement. This particular product is not target the organ oriented or the tissue oriented. It is complete body oriented, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. Even if the patient is suffering from blood pressure, you can give this product as a dietary health supplement support, definitely, without worrying much about the side effects. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Mr. Rasool Naib Sajida. If you are watching this, can we order Ayurveda from India? Can products send from USA to India, vice versa? So iPulse from India to USA. Well, Ms. Sajida, if you are watching this, what I would recommend you is, please, you can send a mail to us on usa@indusviva.com. please send a mail to usa@indusviva.com. We will be happy to help you on this query. I hope my point is clear. Please send a mail to usa@indusviva.com. We will be happy to answer your query on this. So thank you very much for that. Okay, so the next question is by Mr. Khaja Moin. If Mr. Khaja Moin is watching this, my aunt has stones in her kidney. Which product should I suggest? Mr. Khaja Moin, so suppose if your question is on the Indian products, still this is an Ayurveda broadcast right now. Mr. Vanita Illa is also asking the same question of Mr. Khaja Moin. So I think both of you, the answer would be the same probably. Can Ayurveda be used by kidney stones patient? This is what the question is actually. As I told you, Vivides who are watching this in the US as well, this product is a dietary health supplement. Well, in any case of a disease or a disorder, it is always important for people who are staying in the US to consult their, the physicians or the healthcare providers before or during the start of the product as well. Well, as a part of the antioxidant and the immune boosting part of the product is concerned, definitely you can use this, as this product also improves a lot of digestive ailments and the disorders which are associated with the gastrointestinal tract as well. I hope you got my point. In case of kidney related issues, this can be used as a dietary supplement product only, and well, it can rejuvenate and produce this antioxidant effect on the kidneys so that the generalized kidney health can be maintained. I hope my point is clear. So that is what the answer is. So Mr. Khaja, if you are watching this, if you are using any Indian product and asking a question for India, my answer would be definitely you can use this iPulse, which is 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food, would be a good dose for the kidney related issues as well as the stones, my dear friend. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question that I am taking here. Okay, I hope the questions are done now. So thank you so much, Vivides, for posing your questions. Well, if you still have some more questions, you can still message us on the Facebook chat or the messenger of Indus Viva INC Facebook page. We will see that each and every question of yours will be answered. So don't worry. So no other question, no questions will go in vain. We will definitely answer those questions as well in the coming Ayurveda series as well. So thank you so much, Vivides, for your patient watching. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off. Well, a very good night to all the Indian Vivides and a very good day ahead and happy weekend ahead for all the US Vivides. Thank you so much.